Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a spring living room tour. So I do realize that since we have been in the house, I have not officially shared the living room with y'all. You probably seen it on vlogs or whatever, but I've never gone through to show you exactly like what we've done and changes that we've made and different things like that. So today is the day. We're going to do that today. I'll share with you guys where I purchased everything from, so y'all can go pick these things up yourself if you're interested. And y'all already know your girl, we likes to keep it on the low. We ain't breaking the bank for none of it. All right, so officially welcome to my living room, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright y'all, so now that I have done kind of like the montage of the living room, I am just going to talk my way through everything that we've done. And so y'all please bear with me because the light from the windows, it kind of makes it go in and out, but I do have another light here so I can kind of keep everything bright for y'all. So anyway, you guys, the first thing that we did when we moved into the house, we went ahead and did this wall here to mimic shiplap. The wall was just solid like this, but I wanted this shiplap look. I am very much so into the modern farmhouse or country style look, so I just absolutely love this. We used I cannot think of the name of the wood, but I will definitely put it in the description box. But we just cut the wood into strips, and then we just hung it up on the wall with a nail gun, and then we painted it, and it turned out awesome. You can see my living room is actually a living room dining room combo, so it does go all the way over. We'll show the living room at a different time because I did want to make a separate video because I'm going to do a tablescape in there, but for right now we'll just focus on the living room. So that is what I did to the wall. You all have, well, I have made a video. I made a video on this throw rug ladder. I made this myself, and I believe it was 11 bucks was the cost of it. I will link that video in the description as well so you can see how I did that. This little thing here, this just came from the Goodwill, probably like 50 cents to $1, something like that. It was an old aluminum water planter, a watering can, water, whatever. So I just got some blooms from Dollar Tree and put them in there to kind of give it a cute little look. My entertainment center was something else that I found at the Salvation Army. This cost us, I want to say $35. Again, I will put pictures in there so you can see the before, and then we just painted it. And this is how it turned out. This turned out wonderful. I love it. My little basket here, this was something else that I also got from the thrift store, and I think it was like $5, and I used that to put just some decorative pillows in. This sign up here which says, "In our home, let love abide and bless those who step inside." I got this from Hobby Lobby, one of my favorite stores, and of course I got it on the day where the wall art was 50% off, because y'all know we ain't paying full price. So at 50% off, this was 30 bucks. This cute little bench right here, Antonio and I made it ourselves. We just got some scrap wood that was actually in one of the dumpsters out here. Y'all know that we are in a new neighborhood, and y'all can see that they're building everywhere, and they have all these dumpsters with plenty of wood in it. So we got scrap wood out of there and we made this bench. Sir, you always make your way into my videos. Please. No. All right. So let's go here. Curtains, y'all. Curtains came from, I'm sorry the light is acting crazy. But these curtains came from IKEA, and I just used ribbon to tie these back. Gray ribbon, the same color as my couch. All right, guys, so these I also got from Hobby Lobby. I absolutely love these. They actually just came as the they don't come with the flowers in them, just the holders. And I really like this because during different seasons, I can change up the blooms or the flowers in there if I want. So I thought that was really cute. So I did that. And these were 10 bucks each. 10 bucks each for the planters. And the flowers were, I think, like $4, something like that. But I really like those. I think those are cute, 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 cute. All right. And my sofa here. So I am a big fan of neutrals. Like, go with a neutral couch and then just use your pillows to bring in color if you like. So that is exactly what I did. So normally on my couch, actually when I purchased the couch, they came with these yellow, with these gray pillows, but then they also came with some yellow accent pillows. I have taken those off, and for springtime, I just added these two pink ones, and then this one here in the middle that I really like. The two pink pillows came in a set for 14 bucks, and they were from Ross. And then that pillow in the middle also came from Ross. Y'all, I get all my pillows from Ross. If you catch them on the right day, Ross has really good pillows, really cute pillows for cheap, for the low. That pillow in the middle, I think it was like $8, either 8 to 10, something like that. And then over here on my oversized chair, I just got another pillow from Ross as well. And that one again was like $6 to $8, something like that. Not very much at all. So I think this is a great way to decorate your couch just by changing out the pillows, so you don't necessarily have to change out the couch. So you do not have to change out the couch. Of course, we're not changing out couches. We're not doing that. So it's just best to go with a neutral couch. All right. This is another little planter over here. Actually, my sister-in-law made this. We had a birthday party this weekend for our grandmother, and this little tin she got from the Dollar Tree for $1, and the same thing with the flowers that are inside. And she just put them in there, and I thought that was cute. So I took one, and it's there now. And y'all ignore it. Let me move the light so y'all can. All right, and over here, so my favorite area right now is definitely my coffee table. I just love this. It is so cute. So what I did in here, I just got this wicker basket. This came from Ross. This was $12. And I just put some tulips in there, and these were so cute. So these came from Michael's. They were on sale right now for $2 a stem. What you're seeing right here are 3 stems, 2 pink stems, 1 2 light pink stems, 1 dark pink stem. So you can see these stems are pretty full. I'll actually take one out, so I'll show y'all. Yeah, so this is 1 stem here. So you see it's pretty full. So I got 3 of those for $2 each. This little basket right here came from the dollar store and Family Dollar, so it was $2. And then I have the candles in there. I do not remember where I got those from, but I've had them for a while. This little vase right here, again, something that I'm sure came from the dollar store. I just don't even remember when. And I just threw some bushes in there, And then my little rabbit, he also came from the dollar store for $1 as well. And I just set him on top of a couple of books there to kind of make him stand up a little bit, but I absolutely love this. It is so cute. So lastly, behind my couch, I just have this area here. I have a bar stool, and I went with, I actually have 2 of these. I'm going to set another one on the other side. I'm just going to finish reupholstering it. These were actually brown, and I put the black leather fabric over it, so I had to do the other one. And I went with bar stools here because I did not want low seats, because if someone is sitting on the couches, I wanted them to still be able to see the TV with no problem. So I went with bar stools back here. So this little thing here, I also purchased from a thrift store or Salvation Army. I want to say it was 20 or 30 bucks for this chest here, and I like that. On there, I just have a couple of different little whatnots. This right here, this one is actually a oil warmer, and then my orchid that Antonio got me, so she stays there. And then my clock, also picked up from Hobby Lobby on half off day. I believe it was $30, $35 or $40, something like that. So thank you guys for taking the tour with me. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope I answered most of your questions. Again, if you have any other questions, please just let me know and I will answer them for you. No problem at all. So yeah, thank y'all guys so much for watching and coming back to my channel, and I will see y'all on the next one.